I want to talk about Antarctica. They are clearly protecting or preserving something that may or may not be under 3 miles of ice.
Ancient cave. In a remote part of Antarctica, on the mysterious Greenwich Island, a strange discovery was made. It all began in 2007.
The most important issue to me is the issue of a global cataclysm at the end of the Ice Age,
When a mysterious cave appeared on Google Maps, but disappeared 6 months later. This unusual event led to theories ranging from an entrance to Hollow Earth to military conspiracies. The cave was 72 feet high and 249 feet wide, large enough to fit hundreds, if not thousands, of people. Some speculated it could be an access point to an underground world, while others suggested it was simply a natural occurrence, such as an avalanche covering an ancient chamber. Another theory connected the cave's appearance to climate change, suggesting that melting ice had revealed a long-hidden structure. Nearby, an unusual formation resembling man-made steps raised questions about human involvement in its creation. The cave's massive size also fueled speculation about its possible use for secret military operations or even spacecraft landings. Alien robot. Antarctica is one of the most isolated and extreme places on Earth. For scientists, it is a land of discoveries, but a recent expedition led to a chilling find. The footage they captured was so unsettling that it challenged everything we know. Some even wondered if it could be proof of an old legend. In the frozen wilderness, an event stunned the world. A massive alien-like robot emerged from the ice, its metallic frame gleaming under the sun. The sight left people in shock, fueling theories of extraterrestrial life. Scientists examined the structure, fascinated by its design and purpose. But as the investigation continued, cracks in the story started to appear. It turned out the terrifying robot was nothing more than an elaborate hoax by a group of artists. The revelation left many in disbelief, yet the fascination remained. People immediately had questions. Who was behind the hoax? How did they manage to fool the world? And why go through all the trouble? As the truth came out, it was clear the artists wanted to spark curiosity and imagination. They had successfully created a mystery that captured global attention. Ancient skull. Even though the robot was fake, Antarctica soon became the focus of another shocking discovery. This time, it was an archaeological find that left scientists puzzled. The discovery raised new questions. Could it be proof that aliens once lived on Earth? Reports claimed that archaeologists had found 3 ancient skulls in a region of Antarctica called Lapai. The skulls had elongated craniums, making them unlike any human remains previously found. Since Antarctica was believed to be first reached by humans in 1820, the idea that these skulls were much older caused an uproar. Alien enthusiasts immediately claimed they were proof of extraterrestrial visitors from the past. The story credited a man named Damien Waters from the Smithsonian Institute. According to reports, he and his team were stunned by the find. But as people started digging into the details, doubts surfaced. No official record of a Smithsonian archaeologist named Damien Waters existed. There was also no known location in Antarctica called Lapai. Researchers concluded the entire story was likely a hoax. Even with all the evidence against it, some refused to believe the discovery was fake. Their curiosity was reignited when scientists uncovered an unusual deep-sea creature in the Antarctic Ocean. A massive organism with 20 arms, resembling a strawberry, was found during a research expedition. Dubbed the strawberry feather star, the creature stunned scientists with its bizarre appearance. Reports claimed it could range from 65 feet to a staggering 65,000 feet in length, adding to the mystery of what truly lurks beneath Antarctica's waters. The researchers noted that these creatures have an unusual appearance that sets them apart from other marine invertebrates. This led to speculation, with some calling it an alien living in Antarctica. A study on the creature was published in 2014. While the study does not describe its exact composition, it details its size. Known as the Antarctic strawberry feather star, this creature lives in the deep waters of the Southern Ocean, at depths ranging from 215 to 3,840 feet. Admiral Richard's expedition.
If it is one of these famous explorers' camps, how could it have gotten onto one of these giant icebergs in the first place?
Archaeologists and adventurers have discovered what some believe to be alien skulls. But even more surprising are the discoveries made by Richard Byrd in Antarctica. Only a few explorers in history have earned recognition, but not all of them get the credit they deserve. Some of their discoveries have even been hidden by those in power. One such explorer was Admiral Richard Evelyn Byrd. His name may not be widely known, but his findings challenge what we think we know about the planet. Byrd was a highly skilled naval officer and explorer from the United States. He was an experienced aviator and a pioneer in polar exploration. His ability to organize expeditions led to him receiving the Medal of Honor, the highest award for bravery in the country. Byrd's career in the Arctic began in 1924, when he led a small naval aviation unit during an expedition to western Greenland. This was just the start of his journey into the frozen north. However, one of his discoveries later in life created controversy. It challenged accepted knowledge about the world and was met with resistance from the authorities at the time. What Byrd uncovered remains a mystery. Did he find something that went against known science? Did his discoveries reveal something hidden? These questions still remain. His fascination with flying over frozen landscapes began when he first saw the sea ice and glaciers of western Greenland. This was when he first heard whispers of a hidden entrance deep within the South Pole. Intrigued, Byrd set out on multiple expeditions, flying over unexplored parts of Antarctica. But during one of his flights, something unexpected happened. On May 9, 1926, Byrd and his pilot, Floyd Bennett, claimed to have achieved a historic milestone. They stated that they were the first to fly over the North Pole. Their journey started in Kings Bay, Norway, where they took off in a Fokker tri-motor aircraft. For 5.5 hours, they flew through the cold skies, facing only minor issues like an oil leak in one of the engines. Despite these setbacks, they continued, motivated by their goal and the excitement of discovery. News of their achievement spread quickly across the United States, and the entire nation celebrated. Byrd and Bennett were hailed as national heroes. Their bravery and determination captured the attention of people everywhere. Their efforts during the historic flight earned them the Congressional Medal of Honor, recognizing the significance of their mission. However, even with widespread praise, doubts remained. Some questioned whether their aircraft had truly reached the North Pole, or if the journey had been exaggerated. Skeptics raised concerns about their navigation and the accuracy of their claims. During his flights, Byrd saw many things and made several unexpected discoveries in Antarctica. One that stood out was a massive dormant volcano known as Mount Sidley. Mount Sidley, the sleeping volcano. Unlike early explorers who relied on ships, Byrd used airplanes and modern tools to navigate the harsh Antarctic landscape. During one of his expeditions, he came across something remarkable: a massive slumbering volcano later named Mount Sidley. It is the largest volcano in Antarctica and is one of the 7 summits of volcanic peaks worldwide. Its remote location, far from human civilization, makes it a challenging destination, attracting only the most adventurous mountaineers. Byrd led multiple Antarctic expeditions, each bringing new discoveries. His first journey, from 1928 to 1930, marked the beginning of his exploration. He established a small base called Little America on the Ross Ice Shelf, using it as a launch point for aerial surveys that mapped uncharted regions of Antarctica. His second expedition, from 1933 to 1935, was even more ambitious. He built a new base, Little America II, and spent 5 winter months completely alone at an advanced outpost 123 miles from the main camp. This period of isolation tested his endurance and determination. Byrd's third expedition, from 1939 to 1941, known as Little America III, led to the discovery of Western Island, adding to his list of important findings. His curiosity about Antarctica never faded, and he remained committed to uncovering its hidden secrets. His fourth expedition, Little America IV, also called Operation High Jump, was the most ambitious. From 1946 to 1947, Byrd led a massive operation with 13 ships and 4,000 personnel. It was the largest Antarctic expedition ever attempted, showing his dedication to exploring the frozen continent. The Operation Deep Freeze. Everything comes to an end. Between 1955 and 1956, Admiral Byrd embarked on his final mission to Antarctica, known as Little America V, as part of the International Geophysical Year. This extraordinary expedition was given the code name Operation Deep Freeze. Byrd made significant discoveries that expanded our understanding of Antarctica, but some of his most intriguing findings were hidden for many years. These secrets remained buried until his son discovered his long-lost diary, which had somehow ended up in the possession of Tawani's Wakawa Shush. This surprising find led to the creation of the International Society for a Complete Earth, later known as the Hollow Earth Research Society. Byrd's diary contained revelations that challenged conventional scientific beliefs. Its contents remained unknown until the 1970s, when they were finally revealed. To ensure the diary's importance reached a larger audience, it was passed to Dan Weiss, a well-known researcher and author in the UFO field. When published, Byrd's hidden discoveries were shared with the world, opening up a realm of possibilities. The contents of Byrd's diary sparked widespread curiosity and heated debates. The revelations pushed the boundaries of scientific exploration, inspiring more investigation into the mysteries of the Hollow Earth. The diary revealed shocking insights, including details about Byrd's mysterious journey. Let's dive into this remarkable diary. Byrd's long and hideous voyage. Admiral Richard E. Byrd's missing diary, once found, proved to be a hidden treasure full of extraordinary stories. One of the most captivating tales describes a mysterious journey he took over the North Pole on February 9, 1947. At the time, Byrd was leading Task Force 68, stationed at the southernmost point of the planet, as part of Operation High Jump. This 6-month mission was intended to explore Antarctica's vast, icy landscapes. Task Force 68 set sail from Norfolk, Virginia, on December 2, 1946, for what was expected to be an epic journey of exploration. But something unexpected happened during this grand expedition, something no one could have predicted. After 2 months of mapping and photographing Antarctica's coastlines and hidden interiors, the mission ended for mysterious reasons. This is where Byrd's missing diary becomes crucial. Its existence raises many questions. How did the International Scientific Council come into possession of this mysterious journal? Why did Byrd venture over the North Pole while leading an Antarctic expedition? The motives behind Byrd's decision to fly across the North Pole remain a mystery, and speculation about his intentions continues. Perhaps unknown phenomena or uncharted territories called to him, piquing his curiosity and pushing him to explore beyond the boundaries of his assigned mission. In his journal, titled Flight Log Base Camp Arctic, Byrd described his experiences during the Arctic mission. Just hours into his journey, he encountered a breathtaking mountain range that he had never seen before, towering peaks that hinted at hidden wonders in the polar regions. However, Byrd's expedition took a strange turn when his aircraft's magnetic and gyro compasses began behaving erratically. These vital tools, which are supposed to provide accurate navigation, started spinning and swaying unpredictably. Some researchers suggest this behavior might have been caused by the aircraft flying directly over the North Pole. 2 weeks after Byrd's Arctic journey, Chilean newspapers reported a strange event involving Byrd. The reports claimed he had encountered mysterious flying objects capable of traveling great distances between the poles with remarkable speed. A dangerous battle took place for about 20 minutes when one of these unidentified craft emerged from the water and attacked Byrd's group. The encounter resulted in injuries and fatalities among the crew. In Byrd's diary, there is a mention of an unexpected mission over Antarctica in which he was allegedly transported into the inner Earth through a vortex. There, he encountered humanoid beings called Agarthans, led by a figure known as the Master. The Master reportedly scolded Byrd for humanity's creation of the atomic bomb and warned him of its destructive power. Byrd was left in awe of this encounter and believed humanity needed to change its course to avoid a grim future. These strange events were too unusual for Byrd to discuss publicly after being briefed by the Pentagon. The last entry in the lost diary hinted at a promise to keep the astonishing occurrences in Antarctica a secret. Some newspaper accounts from March 5th of that year confirmed Byrd's claims, as crew members of Task Force 68 shared their testimonies. These crew members recounted their encounters with extraordinary disc-shaped vehicles, which led to numerous casualties. Rather than downplay the significance of these losses, Byrd informed the Chilean press about this new, formidable adversary capable of traveling at incredible speeds from pole to pole. During this mysterious voyage, Byrd also reported encountering disc-shaped aircraft, possibly of alien origin. The abnormal disc-shaped alien aircraft, 3 weeks after the reported encounter, Operation High Jump, an important mission, was unexpectedly cancelled. Task Force 68, a group of military personnel, was stationed in Chilean ports. One of the crew members informed the media about a strange battle with disc-shaped objects that had emerged from the sea following their Pentagon debriefing. However, after that, all communication from their leader, Byrd, was silenced, and no more updates were shared. In July of the same year, several UFO sightings were reported in residential areas across the United States. During this period, a disc-shaped object was rumored to have been recovered from a ranch near Roswell, New Mexico. Some believe that Operation High Jump was a response to the supposed Nazi colony known as New Schwabenland, which Adolf Hitler is said to have established in Antarctica during World War II. There were even theories suggesting Hitler might have escaped there. In Rodney Cloth's book, Our Earth is Hollow, the author explores the idea of a hollow Earth and claims that explorer Byrd made an extraordinary journey in 1927. Cloth suggests that Byrd discovered entrances to the hollow Earth at both the North and South Poles. Byrd made significant discoveries, but the question remains: why was he silenced and prevented from discussing his experience openly? What might humanity's understanding of the world look like if this encounter had not been suppressed? Could the wave of UFO sightings during that time be linked to Byrd's journey? While the truth of Byrd's experiences remains unclear, there have been numerous UFO sightings in Antarctica, documented by prominent UFO hunters, suggesting a mysterious presence on the icy continent. the alien aircraft aren't the only unusual things found in Antarctica. In addition to Byrd's discoveries, something else has left us questioning our understanding of the universe. The pyramids in the frozen lands of Antarctica. The discovery of pyramids in Antarctica almost broke the internet, leaving people stunned and confused. Pyramids are typically found in Egypt, Peru, and a few other places, so how could there be pyramids in Antarctica? Amid the frozen landscape of Antarctica, a mysterious structure stands tall, its tip piercing the ice. This figure, a supposed pyramid, is visible under the dense layers of frost in the Ellsworth mountain range. Unsurprisingly, this has sparked many conspiracy theories and captured people's imagination. But as anyone familiar with ancient structures knows, pyramids are always cloaked in mystery, and they are mostly associated with places like Egypt, Sudan, Mexico, and Peru. Pyramids, with their intricate designs and methods of construction, stand as evidence of past civilizations in those regions. So, discovering such a structure in Antarctica is both exciting and puzzling. However, we must distinguish between fact and fiction. Recent Google Earth images have intensified speculation, showing an aerial view of the formation. At first glance, the pyramid-like shape appears to be a sharp mountain, with its top breaking through the tundra. This raises the question, is it the work of an ancient civilization lost to time, or could it be the result of extraterrestrial craftsmanship? Geologists, the detectives of Earth's mysteries, have been studying this formation to determine its true nature. As theories spread across social media, with images and speculation circulating widely, experts began to weigh in on the discussion. Eric Rigneau, a professor at a California university specializing in Earth system science, believes the excitement may be unnecessary. According to him, the structure is simply a mountain that happens to resemble a pyramid. He explained that while pyramid-like shapes can naturally occur, most peaks that resemble pyramids have only one or two faces with that shape, unlike a true pyramid with 4 distinct sides. Geologists agree that the mountain's steep, pyramid-like slopes are the result of hundreds of millions of years of erosion. Dr. Mitch Darcy, a geologist at the German Research Center for Geosciences, added that these formations are found in the Ellsworth Mountains, a range stretching over 400 kilometers. Given its size, it's not surprising that some rocky peaks rise above the ice. According to Darcy, the mountain's resemblance to a pyramid is purely coincidental. He clarified that it is actually a nunatak, a peak of rock that emerges from a glacier or ice sheet. Although this formation has a pyramid-like shape, it is entirely natural and not a man-made structure. The mountain is located in the Heritage Range, an area known for its rich geological history. Fossils dating back more than 500 million years have been discovered there, adding to the region's scientific significance. Standing at 4,150 feet, the structure may not be among the tallest mountains, but its unusual appearance continues to fuel curiosity and speculation. Humans are naturally drawn to patterns and mysteries, always searching for explanations for the unknown. While the Antarctic pyramid has sparked intrigue, the real story is in the natural forces that shaped it over time. As debates continue, this icy peak remains a symbol of Earth's evolving landscape, standing as a natural wonder in the frozen expanse of Antarctica. What do you think about these strange formations? Let us know in the comments, and don't forget to like and subscribe for more videos.